Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we have started a new lesson of class 6 and that is playing with numbers. That is your second lesson from arithmetic section. In previous videos we learned the Bottomless rule. I hope you practiced that all the examples. Then in what about today's class? In today's class we are going to discuss about some of the important terms regarding maths. Okay, so here the first term is multiples. Multiples. If you understood this, then only you are going to solve the exercise 2.2 examples. So what are these multiples? See here, when two or more numbers multiplied, the product is called the multiples. For example, you take here 2 and multiply with 1. So 2 ones is 2, 2 times 1 is 2. Again you take 2 and multiply with 2, you will get 4. Again you multiply 2 into 3 and you will get answer as a 6. When two or more numbers are multiplied, the product is called multiples. You keep in your mind, if multiples means you need to write their tables. Okay, when two or more numbers multiplied, the product is called the multiple of the number. So let us take some multiples. I will take here 2's multiples: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Okay, again I will take 4 and 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, again you take 9 multiples: 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, so on. Okay, so here after watching these examples, what do you come to know? See here, now I will discuss some properties of multiples. Every number is the multiple of itself. See here I took 3 examples. 2 in 2's multiple 2 also there, 4's multiple 4 also there, and 9's multiple 9 also there. Means every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is multiple of itself. Next one is every number is multiple of 1. Every number is multiple of 1. Take here 1 into 15 is 15. 1 into 16 is 16. 1 into 100 is 100. Means every number is the multiple of 1. Okay. So property number 1 is every number is the multiple of itself and every number is a multiple of 1, and multiples are, third one is multiples are infinite number. When you are learning tables, no, 2 tens are 20 you are telling, that's it. No, 2 11s are, 2 13s are, 2 14s are, 2 100s are. Means multiples are there infinite. This dot indicates at here multiples are there. Multiples are infinite in number. Next one more is multiple of any number is equal or greater than the given number. See here I wrote here multiple of 2. Then see here the multiples are equal are there or greater than the given number are there. So these are the some properties of multiples. First one is every number is the multiple of itself. Every number is the multiple of 1. Multiples are infinite in number and multiples are equal or greater than the given number. So this is about multiples. So here one more concept will come. See here means in your exercise page number 23, exercise 2.2 and third main. Exercise 2.2 page number 23. See here, while explaining the concepts, I will solve some examples from your exercise 2.2. So here the question is there, third main. What is their question? Third main, exercise 2.2, third main. Find the first 5 multiples. Find the first 5 multiples. Okay, here they given more than 10 example. I will solve here some of the example. So first one is here, yes, I will take here 11, next again I will take here 15, again next again I will take here 100, again one more example I will take, that is 12. Okay, so here they given more than 10 examples, means A to P is there. Among them I will solve here what 4 examples, and remaining you do as a homework. Then tell me, find the first 5 multiples. If you know 11 ones a table, then you can write very easily. So first 5 multiples of 11 are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55. Okay, for example, if you don't know, you take here 22. If you don't know the 22 ones a table, multiply here with 1. 22 ones is 21. You take here 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Again you take 22 and multiply with 3. Again take 22 and multiply with 4. Again you take 22 and multiply with 5. When in case if you don't know the tables, okay, multiply and you will get first 5 multiples. For example, 36 is there. 36 into 2, 36 into 3, 36 into 4, 36 into 5. Multiply and you will get the multiples of 36. I hope this is clear to you. If you don't know the tables, then multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will get the first 5 multiples. These examples I am solving from your exercise 2.2, and that is third main. Find the first 5 multiples of the following. So 15 is there. Then tell me 15 ones are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 4s are 45, next 60, next 75. Over. If you write this much, means over. Next 100 is there. Its multiples are 100, 200, 300, 400, and next one is 500. Clear? Next 12 is there here. 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24, next 36, 48, next 60. So these are the 5 multiples. Okay, I have solved from your exercise. So try to solve this examples and write it neatly in your classwork book. Okay, so this is about multiples. Already I told every number is the multiple of the number, and 1 is the multiply of every number. Multiples are infinite. Multiples are equal or greater than the given number. I hope you understood multiples, properties of multiples, and how to solve that examples. Okay, clear? Third main. Next we will move to factors. Next one is factors. Already this all we have discussed in previous year also. See here, then the first one is factors. So let us take one example here, factors. For example, I will take here 9, and tell me 9 is there in which number? Yes, it is there in 1 9s are 9, and again it is there in 3 1s are table. 3 3s are 9. 1 9s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So the factors of 3 are 1, 3, 9. Why I wrote this number here? Just see, take this 9 and divide with 1, take this 9 and divide with 3, take this 9 and divide with 9. 1 9s are 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. Again take next example, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. Again you take this number, 9 1s are 9 and 9 minus 9 is 0. See here, just remainder is every time what I got 0. Then what are these factors? The factors of all numbers that divide it exactly without leaving a remainder. Okay, factor means it is a number which divide the given number exactly without leaving the remainder. They are the factors of the given number. Got it? If you want to keep this in your mind, means just you check 9 is there in which table. Yes, it is there in 1 ones a table, 3 ones a table and 9 ones a table. Okay, so what is this factor? Factor means these are the numbers divide the given number exactly without leaving the remainder. Got it? I hope you understood. And on this basis, see here we have to see some properties of factors. Properties of factors. Again I will take here 6. Tell me 6 is there in 1 ones a table. 1 6 is 6, 6 ones are 6. Already know 1 is the multiple of every number. Next 1 into 6, it is there in 2 ones a table. 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6. And tell me the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. I will take one more example, 10. Then tell me 10 is there in 1 5 is 1 10 is 10 and again it is there in 2 5 is 10 and 5 2 is 10. For this you need to know tables compulsorily. Then only you are going to solve this example. So please keep practicing tables every day. So here the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Just see these examples. What do you come to know? See here 1 is the factor of every number. Yes or no? Here also 1 is there. Here also 1 is there. Here also 1 is there. You take 100 or you take 506 and 525, but that is the 1 is the factor of every number. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of the number. Already know factor means the number which divide the given number exactly without leaving the remainder. So take here 3 and divide with 9, you will get 0 as a remainder. You take here also 3 and divide with 6, you will get 0 as a remainder. You take here 5 and divide with 10, you will get 0 as a remainder. So that is the property number 1. The smallest factor of every number is 1. Yes, here the smallest factor of every number is 1 and it is the factor of all the numbers. The smallest factor is 1. The greatest factor of every number is the number itself. Yes, see here the smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is the number itself. See here 9 is there. Here the greatest factor is 9 over 6 is there. Here its greatest factor is 6. In this the greatest factor is 10. Means the every number the smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is the number itself. Next, the factor of a number is equal or less than the number. See here the factor of the number is less than or exactly equal to the given number, is equal or less than the number. So these are some properties of factors. See here I taught the factors of properties of multiples and the properties of factors also. Next, here I will solve some examples from your exercise 2.2. First one again, and that is first one exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2 first main, find all the factors of the given numbers. So first one is here 35. A1 is 35. Then tell me 35 is there in which table? 135 is 35 ones. Next it is there in 5 sevens. 5 sevens are 35, 7 fives are 35. Other than this, the 35 is not there in any other number. And while writing, you arrange the factors in ascending order. Then tell me among this which one is small? 1. Next one is 5. Next one is 7. Next one is 35. So up to here over. Got it? So here 1, 5, 7 and 35 are the factors of 35. So the first question is there, find all the factors of the given number. Next I will take here 80. I will take here 80. Then tell me 80 is there in which table? Yes, it is there in 1 ones table. Yes, it is there in 1 ones table. 180 is 80 ones. Again it is there in 24s and 420s. Okay, again it is there in 42s. Okay, it is there in 42s 80, 240s 80, 24s 80, and other than this it is there in 10 ones table. 10 8s 8 10s. So arrange this in ascending order. 1 2 4 8 10 20 40 and 80. So these all are the factors of given number. Okay, I hope you understood how to find the factors. Here 7 to 8 examples are there in your textbook. Okay, so in today's class I discussed only the multiples and factors, multiples and its properties, and I have solved exercise 2.4 to third main, and factors and its properties, and the exercise 2.2 first main, and remaining you do as a homework. Okay, that all are there in page number 23. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.